future, robots might replace human soldiers on the battlefield. These high-tech machines are tough and smart, unlike typical friendly robots. It's not just a sci-fi idea. Technology advances fast, hinting at a future where robots could rule warfare. But there's a problem. While these robot soldiers seem powerful and precise, questions about accountability and the safety of innocent people arise. Is this a step forward or a dangerous path? We need to talk about this now before technology surpasses our moral understanding. Let's explore the good and challenging sides of using robots in war. We're at a turning point where robots might replace soldiers, but we must remember the human side, the tough choices, and the responsibility to shape a bright and kind future. The future of war, what being a soldier means, it's all uncertain. Are we ready for this change? Your thoughts count. Click, subscribe, and share your views. The future of war needs a conversation. The rise of the robo-soldier. The evolution of warfare is steering away from conventional training grounds and marching towards laboratory-born warriors. Robotics and AI are converging to craft a new breed of soldier forged from circuits and steel. Envision future soldiers with exoskeletons that disregard bullets, augmented senses penetrating walls, and limbs navigating treacherous terrains tirelessly. These aren't mere drones, but robo-soldiers embodying decades of technological leaps, carrying immense loads effortlessly and operating without fatigue or fear due to their logical, unswerving nature. They're strategic geniuses, processing battlefield data at unprecedented speeds, and are prototypes like Boston Dynamics Atlas and DARPA's LS-3, showcasing the fusion of science fiction with reality. This revolutionary transformation in warfare blurs the lines between ethical responsibility and technological progress, questioning the future landscape where robots sculpt battlefields and alter the human cost of war. The rise of robo-soldiers isn't just a feat of technology. It symbolizes a seismic shift in the essence of combat. Ethical dialogues are imperative, as these mechanical warriors edge closer to reshaping the battlefield. We need to confront these discussions now, before ceding control to robots and allowing the human toll of warfare to be redefined by lines of code. Ethical and strategic implications. The sheen of robot warriors promises battlefield efficiency, yet casts an ethical quandary. Who's accountable when decisions made by these metallic minds result in casualties? Can code fully fathom the complexities of human conflict, or will warfare lose its empathy? However, this ethical dilemma is just one facet. Strategically, the costs of developing armies of robots are monumental, questioning the affordability for even powerful nations. Trusting AI's decisions in battle and guarding against potential hacking threats are vital concerns. These aren't mere ponderings, they're urgent alarms that experts navigating this ethical and strategic maze have sounded. Military leaders grapple with integrating robot soldiers into existing doctrines. Ethicists emphasize moral considerations, and robotics engineers confront technical challenges. Every stride in this robotic arms race urges a cautious re-examination of human-machine boundaries. The future of warfare holds promise, but before plunging into this chrome-plated frontier, we must ponder. What's the price, and how do we bear it with conscience in future wars? The future of warfare. Imagine a battlefield transformed by silent robots and the cold calculations of algorithms. It's a future where metal warriors replace boots on the ground, promising fewer human casualties and precise clinical missions. Battles won't hinge on human strength, but on the calculated logic of machines, potentially saving lives and sparing families from the pain of loss. However, this future has shadows. A race for robotic dominance could escalate conflicts, leaving diplomacy behind. Autonomous weapons raise ethical dilemmas. Who's accountable when machines take lives? Could our human empathy become a casualty in a world dominated by algorithms? The path ahead demands more than technological advances. It calls for a global discussion on regulating these digital soldiers. We must define the values that shape the future of warfare, ensuring human responsibility prevails over machine execution. It's a moment where we choose the battleground's ethics and decide whether war remains a human realm or becomes a sterile confrontation of metal. The destiny of warfare isn't predestined. We decide. Robots may bring battlefield efficiency, but at what cost? Join the debate. Minimize casualties or dehumanize war? Should we embrace robo-soldiers? Share your thoughts, like, subscribe. Let's shape the future of war together. Remember, the battlefield belongs to us, not just machines. Choose wisely.